say
I na me ra ho say Ghana no ase yama bi bromra no so hwe no kre eye ba akopɛ
sanity
yen ka no kre nkyere ye ho ye court ye justice system ye ya yama nanimunyam etwitwi fam because yes court na nka court kasa obi asuru on say abanti kasa e wo say ye reporter e kasa e wo say said ye nsuo ye no sa na be meaning say court edi kind injunction be koy bra ye de akofuna esi no the Ghana Police Service were around law enforcement agency any other a year so mu take action nothing happened.
Yes
Emma eno metimi ko se nye adwo asafo no etuo bi ko bo ne ka mu ni ade kra na enka nye injunction asem kra the issue so what ya na nye injunction asem kra it was all about adwo asafo etuo ko bo ne ka mu esi bi egu ni trim e de ye ho investigation akohwe eno na mo de arrest.
Yes
but the statement wasn't about the injunction.
Sure
it tells you say ase nansi no de me hu ni say ase ye court no animu twitwi fam na chief justice
Nancy
fam because it's menti bi da a check akra na no me bi sa no ye hu so obi aya so brache atia court say court say na nipa no and me hu say omo so a omo ya so brache atia court ni nya ye nkrofo aya na omo so mu edu
sanity omo they are supposed to know the law.
They are and you said they are supposed to know the law. In the society we feel say omo mu edu
omo ka bia wom.
Yes and so omo de asemmra ntimi nya omo hwe se me na mete hei na court de injunction ato so say asem bi wo hokora ni se me boss wo multimedia ha kwabna me mosu wie no security ani na police gina ho bechi akoko I tell you police gina ho bechi akoko but look at the video police for na ebo ban wo ho.
Yes
but this has come to the media space ni ade nyina say ye the injunction ai dey
atoso
na kofika no so say the nsuo esa na dia be ayi ofori betena say sisi ai asema na kan say on say lumba de no kra so sa mebo eti e ma precedence.
Yes
eti wo tena say me so obi the injunction akoto me so na say me go ahead to do what I want to do
me so mran be chimi ana
ye ma ye society no enye so uniform na ye respect the laws of this land. Enye sa ho ebe kakra na beji yensem o because omo edi akire ni suya omo edi kan ni nan
sa pepe
enti ene me hwe there's a precedent me hwe ni ebesie because obi ye contempt of court me wa Supreme Court election petition because foko kan say kai contempt ye hu say contempt say mu edu pe ye aduma me imagine no omo ho po but this time people don't even fear say court say makasa. This is serious and very serious to our judicial system.
Very serious.
They must Chief Justice interest any.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, Kobra. Na pom say.
Already adum na won so.
Me pacho me FN say the Akokoa the legal aspect of it no. Na me person me hwe ne from.
Okay.
Said ya point of view no.
Okay.
Un say no we I say ye lose bibio.
Okay.
Un say anka asem passe a asem oye wofa apostle kodosafo a ne figure e wo man mu ene abusua mu se be abusua wo mu wate abusua nanim ne chese on man na nkasa ne bra wabo
we also came on the state barrier.
Absolutely indicate intina nka wawuo na na tire no abeye sansemi inti me problem pa ne say your family values and systems we are losing it. You say obi amu abusua pani o obi amu abusua pani but ka woni me say se ko base se wo papa wu akanfa mamre mu no wo papa onye obusuani
dabi
eye wo no wo need to me bia to decide say eye wo ne wo se wa no ene wo papa busuafo no ena omo de omo ka no ena ono omo ya adwen wo ma me wudi a wo ma me wo family adade no wo ka busua no ho enti one way or the other no wo betimi I mean object and I say bia obodo omo ye no obonyo so betima ba papa wudi a wo papa busuafo na take decision say your family says enyama adwiregu obekokra busuapani omumu no omfa buobia say one
obi amfobia
you see ofori kan me kwa the legal memo
okay
maybe so I'm in my early 30s.
Okay.
And na mo say yewura Akokoa so nso do ya santini a na ne afi betwa busa no. Minti bi da wo say papa pani say ata emma. Me say mempene me say and your full crack important say ade ne kwa na sa himfie wo kakra wo. Na still lumba de na yeku se na mo ka no aye no baby aye ko no isi de bia metra me kasem ye social ethos and akura mu pani okọ TikTok obitri ni phone si nanim pani atam he sa de ne nketenkete sis na ya hwen kura bia about 3 years ago ko treza ma esi amom no muti bi phone didi na naku for that okay
me kai pa
akura ti mi ko buti cha dan ya wan ko p exams nyama enya normal there's nothing normal about the Akokoa society no na papa penny say yawu wo de fa court de empanifo Ghana ha titiri nyina kasa say and Akokoa's point is also very important say court na amfa na nanti for mpa nya mu yi na me ko jinjansia MPP election injansin ye
fanya hwe
ye dia ba injansin ya fa nya hwe fa na ye ko no emra na ye se no ye social ne cultural ethos no because that's another democracy beba na mamra ni amana
yes ewo ho
ne nyansa wo
very very sad very sad.
Yes and one with the invent of democracy in the ye be say and I cry me fele say ono no TikTok into phone na penny
your baby no can.
And you know the sad aspect of it that individuals who are supposed to know better
defending
nonsense sabi and tosun
enye
na wo ma tete wo no na wadi mfie be 45 50 kono sa wo millennials ni say you those generation no more times ana ntete ye de ma wo
okay but for mo so mame na ye ntoa enkomo yi so enra Supreme Court